this the real life? Is it just fantasy? Caught in a landslide. Hey there.
No escape from reality.
So we're out for another walk. It's cold out. Heather's tying her shoe. Heather, what have I told you? What have I told you? She never remembers to bend at the knees. She bends at the waist. Oh, don't poke me. For another walk. Another walk. Ooh, I look red. I'm far away! Yeah! Not really. So, do I look better like this? Or like this? Like this? Or like this? Is this my good side? I think that's my good side. It's my fat side, my good side.
If he says so.
Burn! Oh! Oh my god, that hurt! It's cold. I think Heather's trying to kill me. Yeah. It's a bit cold. Can't feel my nose. Merlin and Arthur and Merlin, and it's cold. What?
Hush you.
I can't mention Merlin?
No,
Why not?
you're not allowed to.
And Merther? Can't mention Merther?
No.
You sure?
Yes, I'm positive.
I don't know. You can see my breath in the camera. Can't feel my fingers. Merlin.
Maybe you should get some
Merlin.
gloved with fingers.
Merlin. Merlin.
What?
Merlin.
Shut up.
Well, someone says I'm not allowed to mention Merlin. I'm going to mention Merlin. Should I start calling him Emrys?
Gregory. No, I can see him.
Great. Every time I get the camera out, we can't see the random fireworks that go off. There were fireworks down there, folks. I swear there were. Heather saw them.
I saw them. They were really there.
But on a side note, we established that it's cold enough to see my breath, but it's not cold enough to see my farts. So yeah, I'll let you guys think about that one for a few minutes. Can't see my farts yet.
Maybe if you actually like pull down your pants. And
We'll do that next time.
Let's not.
Why not?
Let's not.
I want to see fart steam.
Let's not.
Merlin.
See, they're
Okay.
really there.
They did exist.
That's why I thought they were more that way before.
They
but-
were.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on.
The fireworks that people can buy here, like at Asda and stuff, are like that. Like, they go up in the sky. They're not like the ones you buy in California.
Yeah, they're not the ground fireworks that sparkle and pop. You can actually buy full on, I'm going to launch you up into the sky and hope the plane doesn't fly overhead when it blows up.
It's not that high.
They get that high.
But, yeah, I mean, like, we can't even have, like, firecrackers and stuff or sparklers without.
Well, have you seen the majority of Americans?
True. Like we said before, they expect you to have common sense here. And the majority of people do. The handful that don't.
Okay, if the fireworks come back, I'll bring the camera back. Okay, they were going off, folks. As soon as I get the stupid camera out, they decide to stop.
Just keep them.
I can't keep it out. Oh!